In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free chess.com account and set it up the right way. First, open the chess.com app on your device or go to the chess.com website in your browser. The home page loads quickly and you'll see plenty of options, but we're focusing on getting you signed up so you can start playing. Look for the sign up button. It's usually at the top of the page on desktop, and on mobile, it may appear near the top or along a menu. Click or tap sign up to begin. This takes you to the account creation screen where you'll choose how you want to register. You have two main choices: sign up with an email address or use a social account like Google, Facebook, or Apple. If you prefer the traditional route, select email. Enter a valid email address you can access, then create a strong password. Make it at least 8 characters long, include at least one uppercase letter, and add at least one number. This balance keeps your account more secure and easier to remember. If you'd rather move faster, pick a social login. It connects your existing account to chess.com and skips manual password creation while still keeping things secure. Next, you'll be asked to choose a username. This is the name other players will see, so pick something unique and appropriate that you're comfortable using in games, leaderboards, and chats. If your first choice is taken, try a small variation until you find one that's available. You'll also select your skill level. Choose the option that matches your experience: new, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Be honest here. This helps chess.com match you with players at a similar level so your games are challenging but fair. It can also influence recommendations for lessons and practice tools. You may have the option to customize your board theme. This is purely cosmetic and can be changed later, so feel free to pick a style that feels comfortable for your eyes, whether that's a classic wood look or a high-contrast modern set. Finally, you'll likely see an offer to try a premium plan. If you're not ready for that, look for an option like no thank you or continue with free to proceed with a basic account. You'll still get plenty of features to play live games, solve puzzles, and explore the community. That's it. You've created your account, chosen how to log in, set your username, picked your skill level, customized your board, and skipped the premium trial if you prefer the free plan. You're ready to start playing and improving on chess.com.